We have the PSA JAKL 14.5 inch, all new Vortex AMG UH1 and FDE, and how to shoot your long gun. So with your non-dominant hand, you're gonna come underneath the sling, up and over so it runs across like your radius bone for your wrist. Bring the rifle up, and then you bring the rifle to your eyes. Keep your head up, roll your shoulder forward, pull it into you a little bit. And there's really nothing to that. You'll notice that I have very, very little recoil doing that. I'm not dropping my head, I'm bringing the rifle to my eyes. And also it's gonna allow you to shoot faster, get on target faster, and be a more effective defensive shooter. Try it out at the range.